Hi, this is a demonstration video of the Ribbon Wi-Fi calling and messaging app. It is to provide instructions on why our app, which is declared to use as default phone handler and the default SMS app, that we use it to fulfill our core functionality as the default phone app and the default SMS app to provide phone and SMS services for carriers, telecom carriers, that are trying to extend their coverage area so that they can work both in a cellular and Wi-Fi environment without having to switch applications and to also use the customer's existing GSM number. So as you can see, as we start, before we've installed the application, the system defaults for phone and SMS app are present, the phone and messages app. And we will then go ahead and install the Ribbon Wi-Fi calling app, which will also install the messaging app. Here we request the user to be able to make and place all aspects of calls using Wi-Fi calling, and that we need to become the default phone app. So we set the default to make Wi-Fi calling the default phone app. We get the permissions request of the user as required. We enter in the user's existing GSM number. And at this point we are activated, and we will continue on to, at this point this is a tutorial. It shows when the Wi-Fi calling is active. It shows the little icon that is displayed. It shows the icons that can be used to start the applications. So the phone icon is for calling, obviously, and the envelope looking icon is for messaging. Here we're telling the users that we make messaging, which is the Ribbon application, the default SMS app, and why. Here we request to become the default SMS app. Instead of messages, we are going to use the Ribbon Wi-Fi calling application. And once we're done, we're all set. And at this point, you can see at the top, we're connected over Wi-Fi, and you can see the icon in the top left, we are registered. And at this point, we can just start making calls using our dialer, Wi-Fi calling. This is the Wi-Fi calling dialer. It provides dialer information, recents info, and contacts to assist the user. So I will make a call to another subscriber. The phone is right next to me. Alright, we answered the call on the other end, and the call is completed. As you can see, it's a Wi-Fi call because we are in the Wi-Fi coverage area. If we were not in Wi-Fi, we had no Wi-Fi network, it would use the customer's existing cellular network without requiring any change of application. The same app would be used for both Wi-Fi or cellular, and also uses the existing phone number of the phone. So there's no proxy call requirement here. This is just seamless to the user. They use their existing GSM number and they use this dialer app to make and receive calls, whether they are in Wi-Fi or cellular coverage. I'll end the call. This is just a reminder to replace the icons. We will do that. I'll pull down the Wi-Fi calling and the messaging so the users can start them quickly from the icons at the bottom tray there. I also wanted to show the settings that we are in fact the default app for both. As you can see, they changed, so the phone app and SMS app are now the Wi-Fi calling app from Ribbon. So I will also demonstrate that we can receive a call. I'm calling from the phone, and here we can answer the call. And it's also, we're still in Wi-Fi coverage, so it's a Wi-Fi call. If we had moved to cellular, it would show up as a mobile call, a regular mobile call. Again, no requirement to switch apps. We just can use the Ribbon app. We are the default app. We can terminate the phone call. And we can also send and receive text messages, again, over Wi-Fi, or with the same messaging app. And this is, again, I'll go back. This bottom left here, just to the left of the app button, is the envelope again. That starts the messaging app, the Ribbon messaging app. And here we are. And I'm going to go back to, it has conversation history in here. And I'll select the Indigo 3127, which is something we were using recently. And I will send that out. And we can also receive SMS as well. And there we go. So again, you use the same messaging app, whether you're in cellular coverage or Wi-Fi coverage. No need to switch. Application is seamless to the user. And I think that is it. Thank you.